Hey Millionaire Minders, I'm back with another banger for you guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn $100 per day per email that you collect. And this is not going to be one of those ways where you're going to be promoting CPA offers on that of max bounty, where you're going to only earn like $2 over and over. This is a full-on business model that not a lot of people know about. It is a very high skilled income that a lot of people are using to earn thousands of dollars per day. Some people have scaled their businesses to 5 to 6 figures using this model, and I'm going to reveal this entire strategy to you guys, and also how you can get a ton of freebies and a ton of software for free yet again. And also, what you're going to learn in this video, I'm going to show you each step on how to set this entire system up. I'm also going to teach you how you can set up your own WordPress website that will automate this for you completely for free. I'm also going to show you how you can get unlimited hosting completely for free. You don't need to pay anything like $2 or $3 a month on Bluehost. This is completely for free. And I'm also going to teach you how you can set up Mailchimp, which is the mail program that we are going to use to earn $100 per email that we collect. And also, I'm going to show you a Clickbank bonus with this video. And I'm also going to give you, as I say, a ton of stuff. I'm going to give you an already made email template that will boost your sales and commissions big time with this method when collecting emails. And I'm also going to give you a bonus to a software or a plugin that is going to automate this entire process for you. And it is essential that you pay attention to this video so you can learn how to get this program and exactly how to use it, as it is a big part of this step. As I say, I'm also going to give you free unlimited hosting with your own free domain. So without further ado, let's get into all this value pack stuff and let's get straight into it and enjoy the video. So this whole video has obviously got to do with collecting emails. So in order to collect people's emails, we need to offer value. We need to offer something. So in this case, I'm going to start offering courses on how to make money online. But now, not all of us have our own courses. So that is where Clickbank is going to come into place, and it's going to give you a ton of commissions with this method. So I'm going to use the Clickbank's affiliate marketplace. So if you click on the button, you can create your account on Clickbank for completely for free, and you can see all the categories here. And I'm going to use e-business and e-marketing in this video, and I'm going to filter by gravity, which is the top and best selling products. And you can see obviously the whole offer, or the course that I want to offer, is how to make money online. So you can see here the 12-minute affiliate system, make money from YouTube with no filming, get paid for your opinions, real surveys. I actually like this one here, the 12-minute affiliate system, so I'm going to use this one. So if I click on this offer, you can see it's going to take me to the landing page of this website, and you can see if you've just stumbled across a brand new system that almost no one knows about yet. It currently makes me $78 to $922 per day, and it does all of the selling for me. So this sounds like something great to offer. So the whole idea of this now is when people enter their first name and email address, you're going to earn anywhere between $30 and $200 per email that you collect. So you can see if I come back to the marketplace on Clickbank, you're going to get $55 for every single sale, or essentially email that you collect with this method. And now I'm going to show you how you can set this up completely for free. But in order to do this, we need a couple of platforms and a couple of other tools. And the first tool that you guys are going to need is your own website. So I'm going to teach you how you can set up your own WordPress website completely for free, and how you can do it from scratch with hosting, with your own domain, and everything sorted for you step by step in this video. And this is a very neat template, or a very neat landing page that I've created specifically for this 12-minute affiliate system. So you can see here, you've just stumbled across a brand new system that almost no one knows about yet. It currently makes me $78 to $922 per day and does all of the selling for me. No experience needed. So now when people enter their first name and email address on this page, you're going to give them free access or a free course of video about this, which is this video here that I've downloaded, and that's what you're going to give them. So people love free stuff, get free access, and when people enter their first name and email address, this is where you're going to make money anywhere between $30 and, as I say, $200 per email. With this one specifically, you can see a $55.20. There are a ton of other offers. You can filter by price. You can see this one here, $493. You're going to earn a lot more, but I'm using this one here as I like it much more. And this is actually super simple to create. It's a drag and drop program that I've got for you guys, and I'm going to show you how to use that. But the first thing we need to do is we need to set up WordPress and our hosting. So the free tool that I'm going to give you guys is a website called Free Infinity free.net. And you can see here, free unlimited hosting. And you can sign up on this website with your email, password, and a verification of your email. And I'm going to log into my client area. I've already created my account. And you can see this is what your dashboard is going to look like on this website. And you can click on new account and create your own domain. So if I click on new account, I'll quickly show you. You can see you can enter your own free domain .epiz.com or .rf.gd. So you get your own free domain that anybody can access. And this is where we're going to build a website where we can collect emails and earn between $30 and $200 collecting these emails. But I've already created my account. You can see here, my current domain is here. That's my domain. But I'm going to log into my control panel where I can install WordPress and the system for you. So now you can see this is your control panel dashboard. And you want to come down to the bottom to the Soft Delicious app installer. And this is the app installer that's automatically going to install WordPress. You don't need any skills or any coding knowledge. It's all a done for your system. So you can see, click on hover over WordPress, click on install, and you can see your domain that it's going to install on. You want to leave the directory open. You can name your website. I'm just going to leave it the default, your admin password and your admin email, your language, and any themes that you would like. And once you've set up your WordPress website and installed it, it's going to take you to your dashboard, just like this one here. I've already created my WordPress website. It's going to take you to your dashboard that looks like this. So now the tool that I'm going to show you, the drag and drop tool, I'm going to show you that to create this landing page that I just showed you is Instabuilder 2.0. So you can see if I come over to my dashboard, so Instabuilder is basically a sales funnel or a landing page creator specifically for WordPress. And I personally rate it just as good as Builderall and ClickFunnels and those expensive tools that you can use. And yes, Instabuilder, if I come over to Instabuilder's webpage, Instabuilder 2.0 pricing, you can see they do charge for it. However, you can see that they do charge between $77 and $197. But I can get this tool for you or the software for you all the way marked down to $5. Unfortunately, I can't give this one to you guys for free as I wasn't able to, but I am able to give it to you guys marked down to $5. And literally, it is just as good as ClickBanks ClickFunnels. It's just as good as Builder or those expensive tools that you pay like between $60 and $100 per month, whereas this you're paying $5 once off. So that's all it's going to require for you. But I'm going to show you how you can use this tool, and I'll leave a link in the pinned comments on how you can get this. I mean, you're literally setting up your entire online business for only $5. I mean, where can you do that? And I've also got some free value for you here on how you can publish your own pages. So you can see when you come to the Instabuilder dashboard, there is a new page, a new group, and an import section. Click on new page and they give you a ton of free templates that you can use. So in this case, I just want to use the normal text squeeze where we're going to get an email and password on this web page. So text squeeze is just where people are going to enter their name and password. You can see here, if I preview this one, you've got one that looks like this, and you've also got, and you can choose this one. And once you've chosen that one, I can just show you the one I've already edited, and I'm going to edit that for you. It's going to take you to the edit page that looks like this. So it's a drag and drop program. You can see I can drag and drop it around, and I can edit the text, so on and so on. I've put your basic, no experience needed, first name and email address. And when people click on this free access button, this is where they are going to receive an email. And the tool that we're going to use now, this is the tool that is essential. It is going to help us earn our $30 to $200 for collecting these emails. So you want to come over to a website called Mailchimp. And Mailchimp is also a platform where automatic emailing, where you can create your own email campaigns and earn with email marketing. And this is the platform we're going to use to earn collecting other people's emails. So you can sign up for free, completely for free, name, email, password, the usual. I've already created my account, so I'm going to log in with my account already done. You can see it's going to take me to my dashboard. I'll just do this later. It's asking me for security. And you can see I've got campaigns, automate, templates, audience reports, and content studio. And the first thing that you want to do is you can see if you come over to you click on the little Mailchimp logo, it's going to pop up with a page like this asking you to finish your profile. You want to connect your store, aka your website, to Mailchimp. So if I click on Woocommerce, that is WordPress, you can see you want to click on connect. it's then going to ask you to download the Mailchimp for Woocommerce plugin, which you want to download. And I've already got that downloaded on my computer. You want to then come over to the dashboard of your WordPress website, the same dashboard that I showed you earlier. You want to hover over to the plugin section. You want to click on Add New, and you want to install this plugin, the WordPress or the Mailchimp, so you can now connect Mailchimp to this landing page where you're going to get paid to collect these emails. So I'm going to upload this plugin quickly and install that. So once you've installed the plugin, activate it, and it's going to pop up with a page like this on your dashboard where you want to connect your website, aka your store, to Mailchimp. So click on connect, and it's going to say connecting. A new window will open with Mailchimp's authentication. So this is going to pop up, and now you want to enter your same login details that you had on Mailchimp. So I'm going to quickly log in or connect my site with that, and you can see it's going to ask you for your name, your address, and your local settings. So I'm going to quickly set that up, and I'm going to click on next. Once that's done, it's going to ask you for another email. It's going to ask you for another page, your default from name. So this is the email where it's going to come from. So from J Froneman, you can put your personal name, default subject. So I'm going to go, for example, your free training video as the default subject, and your personal reminder message you were subscribed to the newsletter. Click on next, and you can see sync your audience with your store. So I'm going to click on my account that I've created on Mailchimp, which is J Froneman Million in Mind, and I'm going to click on start sync. And you can see my website is now connected on Mailchimp. It's now taken me to my dashboard. So once you've done setting up your Mailchimp account, your dashboard is going to look like this. So you've got your e-commerce performance, your good afternoon, and you want to come up to the create button on the top right. So click on create, and you want to come down to sign up form. Now I want to click on begin because we want to create an embedded form where we're going to copy and paste the code to connect to our WordPress website where people are going to enter the emails and how you're going to earn with this. So now if I come back to my Mailchimp and I click on begin, and you can see you've got a whole bunch of different options. You've got a classic mailing list, you've got a condensed one, a horizontal one, and an unstyled one. So the one I'm going to use is a condensed one. You can see it is just the standard subscribe, and it's going to give you the code that you just need to copy and paste onto your WordPress website to connect your Mailchimp account. Now Mailchimp is very limited. The free account is very limited, but you can upgrade it to the premium one where you can get a ton of more emails on your list. But the free one is usable for now. I think it's 2,000 emails a month or something like that, which is not bad, but at least it's free for now. And what you can do is as soon as you start making sales on the free one, you can upgrade to the premium one where you can get more and more sales, but you won't be spending a cent because all of your sales will be covering your expenses with Mailchimp. Back to the connecting this to your website. As I say, copy this code, come back to your page here of the landing page that you want to create. On the free access button, click on that, and there's a little cog icon. Click on the cog icon, and there is an opt-in form HTML code option. So you want to connect that, click on that, change opt-in code, and you want to paste all of your code into this section because this is the code that's going to connect the site to Mailchimp. So click on process, and there we go. It just asks for your email address, which is amazing. And the next important step now is the email that is going to be sent, the information that is going to be sent to this email address that your customer has entered in order to make your $30 to $200 per email entered. So if I come back to the email code section and you come to the template section, I've actually got an amazing template already made for you. I haven't titled it, so I'm going to click on my untitled templates. And you can see here, I've got, hey, the person's name. It's Jay, the YouTube guy. I'm checking in on you to make sure everything is okay regarding my last email. You signed up for my #1 affiliate marketing system, the 12-minute affiliate system. If you missed it, you can click here, and I've got a link back to this page. And then I personally wanted to reach out to you and give as much as value as I can. So that's why I've created a free exclusive training video for you. And this is where it is important. And this link here is also important. So now I've got this exclusive training videos, which I also created with Instabuilder, the same program, and I created a landing page that looks like this. And this is what the landing page looks like when the person clicks on this link in the email. You can see, are you ready to earn $78 to $920 per day with this brand new system? And I've got a video that I actually downloaded off the Clickbank's website. If I go back to Clickbank's, and if you go back to this Clickbank's website, you can click on promote to get your unique link, enter your account nickname, generates hop links. Now you've got your unique link. Now every time somebody clicks onto this link and gets this affiliate marketing system offer, you're going to earn $55 in commission. And that is why that is where this button here, continue to next step, is going to leave a link. You can see if I click on it, it's going to link the customer or the client that has now entered the email to this page. Now, as soon as they buy this product, you're going to earn on this specific product $55 commission. So this is an awesome sales funnel that you can create for products that you don't even have yourself, that you don't even offer yourself. All you need to know is how to create these funnels, which I've showed you in this video, and you can earn a lot of money with this method. And also in this template, I've got, this covers exactly how this works, why it works so well, and how to start earning with affiliate marketing right now today. And here is your link. This same link, if I click on it, opens up the page to this page where you're going to earn your Clickbank link, where you're going to earn your commissions every time they enter their email and address here, and they click get started and purchase the product. Same thing here, go watch if you haven't already. All of this is done for you and you don't need any experience to get started. Get started now. And you can go through Instabuilder. If I come back to my dashboard, you can actually view all of the awesome themes they have for you. So if you click on new page, they've really got so many different free themes for you already. As I say, click on the link in the description to get Instabuilder 2.0, and you can get started creating your own funnels with this. I want you guys to let me know down in the comments if you want me to create a more detailed entire course for you on this. I mean, I could talk about this topic and show you all sorts of cool tricks and tips, but it will be about 30 to 40, maybe even 50 minutes long, explaining how to set this up from scratch, as this was more of an overview, not really a detailed how to set this up, how to edit the text, but it is actually all super easy. It is all you can see here, it's a drag and drop system. You can literally just edit the text. It's super easy to make, and you can load the themes yourself from the Instabuilder plugin. And as I say, if you guys want to see a more detailed video on this completely free, I'll make it for you guys completely for free. Leave a comment down below saying that you want to see this. But as I say, yeah. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like down on this video. This is probably one of the most profitable business models that you can start at the moment, and with all the freebies that I've given you, I know the one thing that you're paying for is the Instabuilder plugin for $5. As I say, I've marked it down for you from $197 to $5 for you, which is really good. I know it's unfortunately, so as I say, I can't do it for free, but $5 is nothing for the amount of value and the potential that you can earn with this method. But if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below with the notifications on, that I can send you a notification or a message every time I upload another amazing video just like this one tomorrow again. But until then, take care, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.